Welcome back to the Phoenix Feed, and welcome back to a new school year. I'm Mrs. Lyons.
And I'm Mrs. Sanford. On Tuesday, 9th grade has a Lakai training assembly at 9 a.m. Remember, 9th graders, to turn in your permission slip by the 10th.
On Wednesday, the junior high has a Pride Day. Junior high students may wear spirit dress.
Wednesday is also the first day of school for kindergarten, so remember to welcome our new Phoenixes.
And now, over to the Sports Center.
Welcome to the Sports Center. I'm Mr. Lyons.
And I'm Mr. Johnson. Today there will be boys soccer tryouts on the field at 3:30.
Cross country has practice all week at 3:30. Meet at the first shelter by the 5th and 6th grade building. Bring water and sunscreen. We're also having a parent meeting on Tuesday at 5 in the library to learn more information.
Girls volleyball has practice all week from 3:30 to 5:30 at ELA. There's a volleyball game on Thursday at Intermountain Christian that starts at 4 p.m.
And now back to the newsroom.
This Thursday, Daybreak has food truck night from 5 to 9 p.m. on the North Shore.
On Friday, there's a concert on Soda Row in Daybreak starting at 7 p.m. And now, let's meet the new cast and crew of the Phoenix Feed.
Hi, I'm Ethan Peterson. I am in 7th grade. I like to play basketball and volleyball.
Hi, my name is Harlan, and I'm in 7th grade. I like to play the guitar.
Hi, my name is Sophia Bergener, and I'm in 9th grade. My favorite thing to do is volleyball.
Hi, my name is Sophie. I'm in the 7th grade, and in my spare time, I like working on cars.
Hi, my name is Paige, and I am in 7th grade. My favorite things to do are draw or learn different styles of dancing.
Hi, my name is Caitlin, and I'm in 7th grade. My favorite thing to do is swim with my team.
Hello, I'm Mason Harris, and I'm in 8th grade. My favorite thing to do is watch movies.
Hello, my name is Dorothy Rowe, and I'm in the 7th grade. My favorite thing to do is bake.
Hi, my name is Luke. I am in 7th grade, and my favorite thing to do in my spare time is do stop motion.
Hi, my name is Kaylee. I am in 7th grade, and I love to read.
Hi, my name is Brayden, and I'm in the 7th grade, and I like beavers.
Hi, I'm Brooklyn Bourne. I'm in 8th grade, and my favorite thing to do is bake.
Hi, I'm Rylan. I'm in 7th grade, and I love to hang out with friends.
That's all the announcements for this week.
See you next time.
Bye.
Now let's meet the new cast and crew of the Phoenix Feed. Can we do a redo?
I'm such a nerd, you guys. And that's all the announcements for this week.
I forgot what to say.